I'm DJ Sky. Good friend of Souls. We always jam together, man, so I thought I'd come jam a couple of songs, eh? I wrote the song in the car about 20 minutes ago. It's a bit rusty, but we'll just try and do our best and get through it. If you're watching this is hard work, man, hard work. Alright, check this out, bro. This for you, eh? Here's a song I just made up, but it's dedicated to you, brother. Much love. Here we are, still wondering what's going on. Like a star shooting across the sky, and I ask myself, why? Yes, I ask myself, why, oh why? Yes, I ask myself, yes, I ask myself, why, oh why? It had to be you, oh, and I ask myself, why? It had to be you. And I ask myself, why, oh why, it had to be you. Well, happy memories you left with us. I'm gonna put it in my pocket and take it with me wherever I go. I'm gonna put it in my pocket and take it with me wherever you go. Cause deep down inside me, I know you will always be a friend of mine. Oh, deep down inside me, I'll always be a good friend to you. I'm gonna miss you, I'm gonna miss you, I'm gonna miss you, oh, for eternity. Take it easy, take it slowly. Jah Rastafari, ever living in the people, you'll always be a friend of mine. I know deep down inside me, you'll always be a friend of mine. I know I can't take it much longer, Señorita Kakite. You'll always be a friend of mine. I ask myself, yeah, you'll always be a friend of mine. I ask myself, yeah, why it had to be you. And I ask myself, oh yeah, why it had to be you. I know deep down inside me, peace, bro, rest. You'll always be a friend of mine. You'll always, yeah, be a friend of mine. Peace, bye.